Jeremy, thank you very much. And as Jeremy just mentioned, strong wind, the top concern in Greene County at this noon hour.
Justin Soto spoke with emergency management officials and continues our team coverage from the Camp Creek community. Justin?
Well, Casey and Amy, I have to tell you, I've never felt wind this strong here in the Tri-Cities region. If you can tell, my pants are starting to blow towards the camera right now because the wind is coming in from behind me. I'm standing against the wind to protect my face. I've had a few tears coming down from this wind as well. There it comes. You can see the wind gusts kind of pushing me in the direction of the camera. Again, very strong wind gusts here in Greene County. And I'm actually at Camp Creek Elementary. It's a school that had wind damage last month, and I'm told the roofing is doing okay as of right now. But I want to get to some video that I just shot a few minutes ago from a yard not far from where I'm standing. Power crews who were working on restoring power to the house after the line was blown over by wind tell me the roofing of a carport ripped off and ended up right there where you see it. I've also seen the highway department working out here. I'm told multiple trees are down on 30 different roads here in Greene County alone, and they're busy working to clear the way for drivers. Crews have been working since 1 o'clock this morning to clear the roads for you, and schools are dismissing at noon actually right now here in Greene County, but I'm told that was already part of the schedule. It's not because of the wind that we're seeing here today. And the main concern for emergency crews out here today is wind. I'm told from emergency officials that as of right now, there are no reports of any serious damage in the area. Of course, we're going to be speaking with them momentarily, and we'll update you starting tonight on News Channel 11 at 5. But for now, reporting in Greene County, I'm Justin Soto, News Channel 11, in your corner.